Today, we're diving deep into the world of leaks, rumors, and potential game changers. Get ready to be blown away because we've got some juicy details about the upcoming Google Pixel 9 series. Let's get started. We're talking about a massive leak here, courtesy of the infamous tipster, Steve H.McFly. This guy's got a reputation for accuracy, and if his claims are true, we're in for a treat. Let's break down what we're seeing. First off, the design. Gone are the days of rounded edges. The Pixel 9 series is embracing a sharper, more angular look. It's like Google decided to channel their inner iPhone, with a pixel twist. The new color options include dark gray, light gray, off-white rumored to be called porcelain white, and pink. The sides of these phones are polished or glossy, while the back panel features a soft matte finish. Check out that camera bump. It's bold, it's different, and it's definitely making a statement. We're expecting a triple camera setup on the Pro models and a dual camera system for the standard Pixel 9. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold has a rectangular camera module with rounded corners, while the non-foldable Pixel 9 has an oblong shape. The front side includes a punch hole cutout for the selfie camera, and the surrounding bezels are minimal. Now let's talk specs. We're expecting a range of screen sizes to cater to different preferences. The Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro will boast a 6.3-inch Actua display, while the Pixel 9 Pro XL will feature a larger 6.8-inch Super Actua display. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold offers a unique experience with a 6.3-inch Actua front cover screen and an impressive 8-inch Super Actua flexed inner screen. This Actua display panel, also found on the Pixel 8 series, is an improved OLED technology that delivers enhanced brightness compared to the Pixel 7 series. Camera enthusiasts, rejoice! The Pixel 9 series is rumored to pack a serious punch. The Pixel 9 will feature a 50-megapixel wide camera and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL are expected to elevate photography with a 50-megapixel main camera, 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 48-megapixel telephoto sensor. For the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, we can anticipate a 48-megapixel main camera, a 10.5-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10.8-megapixel telephoto sensor. On the front, the Pixel 9 will have a 10.5-megapixel selfie camera, while the Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL are rumored to feature a higher resolution 42-megapixel sensor. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold will offer a 10-megapixel front camera. All four Pixel 9 series phones will be powered by the Tensor G4 chipset. The Pixel 9 can go up to 12 gigabytes RAM, while the Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, and Pixel 9 Pro Fold can go up to 16 gigabytes RAM. But wait, there's more. The leak also hints at some exciting new features. Emergency SOS will provide crisis alerts for nearby fires or floods and include features to protect against malware and phishing scams. Pixel Screenshots is a tool designed to help users save information, such as events and places for future reference, similar to Microsoft's Recall feature. Gemini AI and Circle to Search will enhance user experience with smarter searches and more intuitive assistance. The Pixel 9 Pro XL and likely other models will come with a 1-meter USB-C to USB-C cable in the box. Google is also rumored to offer 7 years of security updates and Pixel Drops, which are software updates featuring new Pixel-exclusive capabilities. So there you have it, folks. What are your thoughts on the Pixel 9 leaks? Are you excited about the potential design and features? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Until then, take care. Today, we are diving into the latest buzz surrounding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Buckle up, because this phone is shaping up to be a true game changer in the world of smartphones. Let's get into the juicy details. First off, Samsung seems laser-focused on making the S25 Ultra the king of smartphones in 2025. The company appears to be using a two-pronged attack to achieve this, a monstrous camera system and mind-blowing performance upgrades. Let's start with the camera. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to stick with its familiar quad-camera setup, but with some serious enhancements. The main sensor will likely boast a hopping 200 megapixels, matching the S24 Ultra but optimized for the S25 Ultra's specific hardware, thanks to the new Snapdragon Agent 4 camera ISP. But that's not all. We're also looking at a 5x optical zoom lens with a 50 megapixel sensor, a brand new 3x optical zoom lens, also with a 50 megapixel sensor, and an ultra-wide angle lens getting a bump to 50 megapixels as well. These upgrades, particularly for the 3x zoom and ultra-wide sensors, are long overdue and promise to significantly elevate mobile photography. Now let's talk about performance. One of the most exciting rumors is the reintroduction of a fan-favorite feature, a 16 gigabytes RAM option. And not just any RAM, but the industry-first LPDDR5X RAM, capable of speeds up to a staggering 10.7 GePs. This translates to unparalleled performance for on-device AI, demanding tasks like cloud gaming, and much more. When you combine this insane RAM with the power of the Snapdragon Agent 4 processor, the S25 Ultra has the potential to be the absolute performance leader in the smartphone world. Speaking of the Agent 4, another reliable leak suggests it'll house the most powerful GPU ever seen in a smartphone. Benchmarks show prototypes running Genshin Impact at a smooth 1080p resolution and 60 FPS, a dream for mobile gamers. Currently, this popular game is capped at 720 on most phones, and maintaining a consistent 60 FPS is a struggle. Of course, with great power comes a potentially higher price tag. Rumors suggest the Snapdragon Agent 4 chip could inflate the price of the entire S25 series compared to its predecessor. Qualcomm has reportedly increased the cost of the Agent 4 significantly compared to the Agent 3. This leaves Samsung with a tough choice: raise prices across the board or potentially use the Exynos 2500 processor for the S25 and S25 Plus, reserving the mighty Agent 4 exclusively for the S25 Ultra. The Agent 4 itself is a whole new beast, built from the ground up using Qualcomm's Super Orion cores previously seen in their laptops. This chip has the potential to give the Galaxy S25 Ultra performance that rivals some Apple M-series laptops. But wait, there's more. We also have hot rumors about the Galaxy S25 Ultra being equipped with the next generation of storage, UFS 4.1. Universal Flash Storage, or UFS, determines how fast your phone can access and store data. The latest and greatest version is UFS 4.0, which powers many current flagships, including the Galaxy S24. But the future is calling, and whispers suggest the Galaxy S25 Ultra might be the first to sport UFS 4.1. While UFS 5.0 is expected around 2027, UFS 4.1 steps in as a minor yet significant upgrade. It's not a mind-blowing jump in raw numbers, but it's targeted to enhance specific areas like on-device AI features. Faster read and write speeds with UFS 4.1 will allow the phone to access data needed by AI algorithms much quicker, translating to smoother performance for features like scene optimization in your camera app, real-time language translation, and other background AI functions. So, what does this all mean? The Galaxy S25 Ultra, if equipped with UFS 4.1, is shaping up to be a powerhouse for AI enthusiasts. Faster data access, improved multitasking, and potential battery life improvements. That's a recipe for a future-proof phone ready to tackle demanding tasks. Of course, this is all based on rumors for now, but one thing's for sure: the future of smartphones looks increasingly intertwined with the power of AI, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, with its potential UFS 4.1 upgrade, might just be at the forefront of that exciting evolution. So there you have it. What are your thoughts on the upcoming S25 Ultra? Are the camera upgrades exciting you? Can't wait for the return of 16 gigabytes RAM? Or is the potential power of the Snapdragon Agent 4 blowing your mind? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you in the next one, guys. Until then, goodbye.